busy airport here, isn't it? Not so impressed that other aircraft keep cutting a queue, but right, I had to drive like an absolute moron to get here. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? This is BA, isn't it? It's got to be. It has to be. BA to New York. This has to be it. Yeah, I know. This has to be it. This has to be it. This has to be it. Look at how big that is. Look at how beautiful. Look at that aircraft. Speedbird 6155 is here. Okay. Right, you need to realise this is actually spectacular. Like, just understand this for a second. Ah! A bird! A bird! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh! Almost had to go at BA then. Oh my God! Almost had to go to JFK. You also had to go to JFK flight, but you know, like, oh my God. Like, you need to think. Absolutely crazy. And we have that aircraft over there. Like, just imagine that bird yeah. Jesus Christ. That could have been horrific. Oh my God, it's near BA, it's near BA.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh God, it's near BA. Jesus. Bloody hell. Right, that's near BA, it's near BA. Oh, it's near BA. Like, you know. Like, okay, try not to get too close to BA, bird. I came here to film this departure. Ah! Okay. I may have to cut this video short. We have to make separate videos of this. Okay, BA is ready to take off. The Speedbird. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Speedbird 255 Manchester to New York. Off to New York it goes. Okay. Off to New York it goes. The big one. Okay. Ever since Aer Lingus closed, they've been making the planes bigger. So there it goes. Okay.